Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your CryptoDoor account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in cryptodoor.com and click on enter. Now you'll be directed to official login page of CryptoDoor. Now type in the email address which is associated with the CryptoDoor account. After that, type in your password here. You can also click on this I button to view your password to make sure that you have typed it correctly. Now type the verification code by solving this question here, which is 17 plus 14 equals to 31. After that, you can click on login button to log into your CryptoDoor account. So that is how you can log into your CryptoDoor account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.